Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's inspiration is a Korean makeup. I have a white eye lenses already in my eye that makes your eyes appear bigger. So I have absolutely nothing on my face. I'm gonna start from scratch and I'm gonna apply lots of cream because we want to have this soft, very refined and very nice glow and finish. So I'm just gonna start with applying lots of cream and then we'll continue to build the look. I will start with the Estee Lauder Dry Wear Eye, and I'm extremely excited because the makeup is absolutely different from what I used to do before. So let's see how it's gonna turn up. And I'm gonna apply Lancome Genifique Nutrix, a lot of it. So I've watched a couple of YouTube videos and it turns out that they are using a shade lighter than their natural skin shade. So I don't really have a lighter one, but I think the Luminous Silk foundation that I'm normally using should work. So I'm just gonna apply lots of it all over my face to make sure that I'm gonna even out my whole complexion, because I normally use only in the T-zone, but this time I'm gonna use all over my face, and then I'm just gonna blend. So great, that looks like I have a little bit paler skin than before, and now it's time to set. I'm gonna set with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish #1 Color Fair, and I'm gonna use quite a lot of powder to set the desired porcelain-like skin. And also because I want to recreate some of their features, like a very slim nose, I am going to also exceptionally do a contouring on my nose. So I'm just gonna use cream shades in this brush to contour my nose. So for the contouring, I'd better use the Film Star Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury because my nose looked ridiculous. I'm not really good at contouring, so I'm just gonna try the darker color and very gently try to contour my nose to make it appear a little bit slimmer. And I am also going to use the highlighter to pop in the middle. Okay, so next step will be to take like a little bit of a pinkish nude color and pop it onto my upper eyelid. So on this occasion I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette, and that's gonna be the prime color, this color right here. And I'm just gonna pop it all over my lid. So on my case, I want to take a slightly darker, which is going to be the one from Chanel Conjure and Experience 268, this color right here. And really pop into the corner. And what I'm going to do next is apply the eyeliner. I guess they probably like, because from what I've seen, they like putting lighter eyeliners. So they prefer like putting brown eyeliner and then smudge it. But because it's me and I've seen more daring girls, are using darker colors. So on this occasion, I'm gonna use the 65 Hyper Black Chanel and apply the eyeliner all over my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take an angle brush and I am going to follow the natural line of the upper lid. Just try to keep it as close as possible to the eye, and then maybe go even in between the lashes. So me, when I come up to here, I normally draw the line upwards, but on this occasion, I am going to go downwards. That is the eyeliner. The South Korean girls probably would go until the end of the eye and maybe just a little bit over, but just because it's me and the eyeliner has to be long, so I extend it as much as possible, which actually is making your eye appear bigger. From all the videos and dramas I've seen, it seems that the South Korean girls, they like their eyeliner a little bit smoother. So they normally use a shadow to pop it on top of the liner. Probably I'm just gonna use this applicator and go on top to kind of soften. There, it looks softer now, but just because it's me, I really want to highlight the black. So I'm gonna take from the eyeliner and again pop the black color. And what I'm going to do next is take a brown color pencil, which in my case is the dot from MAC, and a smudger brush. So I'm just gonna start drawing a line from basically this part of the eye and try to connect it with the eyeliner. So don't make the line very harsh, but just smooth one that will optically make your eyes appear bigger. And smudge it. So once smudged, I'm still going to take this color right here from the Contour and Experience and pop on top and try to blend as much as possible, connecting the upper lash with the lower lash. Great, so there's also a couple of things before we finish even the eye look. So I'm just gonna take this color, the Studio Chromographic Pencil Crayon from MAC, and I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this in the corner of the eye and then create like a little tiny line just under the eyeliner. Not that much. I don't really want to exaggerate, but like a tiny one. And I'm going to also pop a tiny bit of Charlotte Tilbury's Rose Gold Shimmer Eyes to Mesmerize, just in the inner corner of the lower lash. And there is one more technique before we finish the eyes, which is called aiguë sound, and this is called smiley eye makeup. It's a technique that when you smile, you kind of highlight that area there with a brown pencil, and then gently blend it in And something that I have in common with the Korean girls is very short eyelashes. But anyway, I don't really like how the fake lashes look on me. They look very natural, so on this occasion I already curl my lashes and I'm only going to apply mascara. So now it's time for the eyebrows. As you've probably seen, their eyebrows is slightly thicker and straight. So I'm just gonna reshape the size. So try to draw like a straight line. And they also have to be a shade lighter than your hair. So next will be the mouth. There's few tricks about the mouth that you need to know. I am just going to try to reshape the mouth also because my mouth is very thin. I do understand that they were trying to make their lips smaller back in the days, but now in fashion is fuller lips with them also. And what they do here is like really tap the upper part so that they make it really soft. So I'm just gonna take like a brown pencil to create that kind of ombre. I will also do a couple of freckles. And then of course, and lastly but certainly not the least, a pink blush. So that's it. That's the final look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I really hope you enjoyed the video and my a little bit exaggerated Korean makeup. So yeah, that's gonna be for me for today. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.